In front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll a tiny bit to tap on the Notifications and Status bar. Then select App Notifications. And before doing anything, click on Sort By. Most people miss that here you can sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, apps that show notifications, and apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided when you're ready, click on blue switchers next to apps from which you want to block them, or grey ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, you can also tap on any app on the left, and this way not only switch on or off notifications from it thanks to this switcher at the top, but also get access to all of those notifications options for a chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!